Welcome one and welcome all to this very special programme. There is a burning question on everyone's lips, and it is, which kit will Gary's stuff be building next week? Mystic Mug, of course, already knows the answer, but I, a mere mortal, am not party to such knowledge. As yet, not all votes have been counted, and that, the casting of votes, is where you, gentle viewer, come into the process. All you have to do is visit the home page of my YouTube channel, click on the community tag, and there you will find a poll of 4 kits, one of which I will be making next week at the behest of whichever majority of you wins. The result has been foreseen by Mystic Mug and is here in this envelope. I will reveal the answer to this in the programme called Monday Matters. But when is it, Mystic Mug? Ah yes, the 10th day of October in the year 2022. Whichever kit has been chosen by the most of you, that is the kit that will be built. So which will it be? Will it be the feisty Fairey Firefly in a scale of 1 part to 48, made by those hobbyists who are special? Or will it be the gloriously flaming Komet, a Messerschmidt 163 at the same scale, sent down from Greek Mount Olympus by the deities of Gaspatch? Perhaps you prefer the might of the short Stirling, so mighty indeed it may only be contained in the scale of 1 part to 72, and only our Roman friends at Italeri dare so to do. Or do you wish it to be the nimble yet deadly Lynx, at a scale of 1 part to 48, tamed by the fixers of air? The power to choose lies with you, gentle friends. Be sure to cast your vote, and let's see whether Mystic Mug was able to predict the right result. If this small message pleases you, then please remember to indicate such by raising Pollux thus, with button here under. And of course, should you feel so inclined to boost Mystic Mug's powers, you might consider crossing our palm with silver through one of the many partner programs. In any case, I thank you for joining me in this small message to you. I do hope to see you in the very near future. What's that, Mystic Mug? Really? Oh good. Yes, we will be seeing you soon. Goodbye.